Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to set up the Java in your machine for programming purpose. So let's start with Java. Whenever you are trying to do the coding and all, you need the JDK. First it has to be installed in your machine, and then you can write the program and compile, then you can run those programs. Without JDK you can't do anything, because JDK provides you Java. JDK means Java Development Kit, which provides you all the libraries, runtime, and the virtual machine which is needed for the running a Java program. So let's begin. First, how you have to download the Java from Oracle website, then install the Java. After that, we have to set a Java home in our environment variable at, or the path you have to set where the Java is resided in your machine. And we can write the simple program, or you can use the IDE for writing your programs. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. I will show you both the ways how we can write using command prompt, or how we can use using IDE, right? How we can use IDE for writing the programs. So download Java 8. Okay, I'm just clicking 8 and click on this link. Okay, sorry. SC Development Kit 8. Okay, Java, this we have to download. Okay, then accept the agreement. Then if you are using a Windows 32-bit machine, go for this x86, or else go to a 64-bit machine. Okay, I am downloading this one. Okay, let it complete. Yes, it got download completed. Click on this. So this is the installer.exe. Yes. Uh, okay, it started installing. So this pop will show. Okay, click on next. You are writing the Java program, so you need a development tools. So here they will tell you Java SC Development Kit 8 includes SDK, JRE, Java Machine Tool Suite. Okay, and it will get installed in this location, or you can change that location as well. Click on next. It will start installing in your machine. Okay, you can go to C drive. Go to C drive. That program files. Okay, Java. So let us wait. Let it complete. If you are not installed any older version of Java, then you're not able to see that Java folder. Only if able to see, only if completes all the things. It will take at least 5 minutes to set up. Okay. It will ask whether you want to change it, or you can just click on next. So it will get started installing Java into your machine. It After completion of installation, you can see like this successfully installed. Click next step to access the API or the tutorials you want. Then you have to click on the next step. Else just close it and wind it up. Okay. Next step is how to set up that whether how your machine has to recognize Java. Your machine will come to know that whether it has to whether the Java has been installed or not. So that purpose you have to set that variable in environment variables. So go to the Java home. I already had 1.0.61. So where my Java is located. Okay, I will click on this. After this, you just Java home, you have to add it into the system variable. After this, you have to add same thing in a path variable. So here what I will do, where exactly my Java is located, I will add. Okay, I already added Java home slash bin. There your Java program has been located. Java.exe has been located. So click on OK, then OK. So already I had set up. So I had not set it up right now. So just go to the CMD command line prompt. Click on this. So I will search whether Java has been installed in machine or not. How do we check? So just go to CMD and click on just type Java. So it will show the information what we have to use the Java. So how which version of Java has been installed in my machine? How to check that? Using Java minus version, you will come to know that which version of Java has been installed. So 1.71 has been installed. So that will be referred, which is an updated version of that. Okay, friends. For today, this is enough. We'll start how to write the simple Java programs in my next session. Thank you.